Ever sat in class, maybe doodling in your notebook, waiting for what feels like an eternity for the teacher to call your name? The anticipation can be a real drag, especially when you're eager to get on with the day's activities. It's slow, right? A seemingly endless process of names and responses that eats into valuable learning time. What if attendance happened automatically the very moment you walked in, seamless and unnoticed? Imagine a world with no more roll call, no more cumbersome sign-in sheet. Imagine a system, a smart and intuitive system that recognizes your face instantly, and automatically marks you present instantly, updating the records without any manual intervention. Sounds like sci-fi, straight out of a futuristic movie, doesn't it? But the amazing thing is, you can build it yourself, right here, right now. This is the future of attendance, a glimpse into how technology can revolutionize everyday tasks. We're talking about a face detection attendance system, a smart solution for a common problem. Simply walk in, glance at the camera, and just like that you're checked in. No effort, no waiting, just pure efficiency. It's not just about saving time, it's about reclaiming those precious minutes for more important things. It's about using tech to make life easier, more efficient, and undeniably cooler. We'll break down exactly how it works step by step, guiding you through the entire process. Get ready to turn a simple, everyday webcam, something you probably already have, into a high-tech check-in machine, a sophisticated piece of technology. This project perfectly demonstrates how coding can solve real-world problems, practical applications of programming, automating those repetitive, boring tasks with smart, innovative solutions. Whether you're a student eager to learn, a teacher looking for efficiency, or simply a tech fan, this project is definitely for you. Let's dive in and see how artificial intelligence is changing classrooms, transforming the learning environment, one face at a time, making attendance a breeze. So ready to build something truly awesome and incredibly useful? Let's get started right now. So what powers this system? Python is our main tool. Easy to learn, powerful, and perfect for projects like this. For seeing, we use opencv, a library that lets Python access your webcam and process images. opencv uses a Haarcascade Classifier, a pre-trained model that spots faces in pictures. To handle all the image data, we use NumPy, which crunches numbers fast. For the user interface, we use Tkinter, Python's toolkit for building simple dashboards, attendance records. We save them in a CSV file, a digital spreadsheet that Python updates automatically. Every time someone's recognized, their name, Idaho, and timestamp are logged. These tools work together to create a seamless, automated attendance system. No complicated setup, just smart code and a webcam. Let's see how it all comes together. Every system needs a control center. Ours is a clean, simple dashboard built with Tkinter. You'll see two big buttons, Train Images and Take Attendance. Train Images is for teaching the system new faces. Just click, and the system gets ready to learn. Take Attendance starts the live face detection and check-in process. The dashboard is intuitive, no manual needed. There's also a status bar to keep you updated. Training in progress. Or, attendance recording started. Good design means you always know what's happening. With just a few clicks, you control the whole system. No clutter, no confusion, just the tools you need. It's easy for anyone to use, from students to teachers. The dashboard makes the experience smooth and even a little fun. Now let's see how we teach the computer to recognize faces. So how exactly does the system learn to recognize faces? It's a fascinating process that combines software, hardware, and a bit of AI magic. Let's break down the steps involved in teaching the computer to see and identify you. The first step is to click the Train Images button. This initiates the face enrollment process, preparing the system to learn your unique facial characteristics. Next, you'll need to enter your name and ID. This information helps the system associate the captured facial data with your identity, creating a personal profile. Once you've entered your details, the webcam turns on, ready to capture your image. Now look directly at the camera. Ensure your face is well lit and clearly visible within the frame. To provide a comprehensive view, move your head a bit, slightly to the left, then to the right, and maybe even a little up and down. As you move, the system snaps dozens of pictures from different angles, capturing a range of perspectives of your face. Each image helps the AI learn your unique features, from the shape of your eyes to the contours of your jawline. Under the hood, opencv and the Haarcascade Classifier work together to find your face in each frame, isolating it from the background. Once the face is detected, the system crops it, focusing on the essential features, and converts it to grayscale. Grayscale images make training faster and more accurate by reducing the complexity of the data the AI needs to process. These face snapshots are then saved as individual files, ready for in-depth analysis and feature extraction. Once enough samples are collected, ensuring a robust dataset for training, the system creates a face fingerprint, a unique mathematical representation of your facial features. This fingerprint is stored as a unique data file, specifically created and tailored for you. Now with your face enrolled, the computer knows how to recognize you anytime it sees you in front of the camera. The entire training process is quick, simple, and user-friendly, and sets up the magic for automatic attendance tracking, streamlining the check-in process. With your face securely stored in the system, as a registered profile, you're ready for instant check-in, making attendance a breeze. Next, let's dive in and see the system in action, demonstrating its capabilities in a real-world scenario. Now let's witness the real magic unfold, automatic attendance in action. This is where the power of our system truly shines, streamlining a traditionally tedious task. Simply click the Take Attendance button, initiating the automated process. Immediately the webcam activates, diligently scanning the environment for faces in real time. It's like having a vigilant, tireless observer. When it spots a face, it instantly draws a bounding box around it, highlighting the detected individual. The system then swiftly checks the detected face against its pre-existing memory, comparing facial features with the data stored in its database. If there's a match, the corresponding name and ID instantly pop up on the screen, confirming the individual's identity. Instantly, the system logs your attendance record in the CSV file, creating a comprehensive and easily accessible record. This is all done with no manual clicks or typing required, making it a completely hands-free experience. Each person is marked present only once, ensuring accuracy and preventing duplicate entries. It intelligently avoids multiple entries, no matter how many times they happen to pass by the camera's field of view. The entire process seamlessly repeats for everyone who walks into the designated area, ensuring comprehensive attendance tracking. You've just witnessed the power of automating roll call using Python and computer vision, transforming a mundane task into an efficient process. Eager to try it out yourself? The complete source code is readily available on GitHub. Feel free to download the code, experiment with its functionalities, and customize it to perfectly suit your specific needs. This is just the beginning of what's possible. Imagine the endless possibilities of what else you can automate with similar techniques. With just a few lines of code, you have the potential to revolutionize how classrooms and other environments operate. The future of attendance tracking is undoubtedly here. Fast, remarkably smart, and surprisingly fun.